Hello everyone, today we are at Royal Hawaiian Center's food court in Waikiki, Honolulu. This is a locally influenced burger place. The menu is pretty large, you can see a lot of varieties. And then this is a Vietnamese place, of course with a large variety of pho on the menu. And if you are having a craving for some sugar after your meal, then there are plenty of options for that as well. Interesting to note is the Chick Chick Puff. And of course, you cannot run away from fries these days, no matter where you are on the globe. And this is the most famous katsu curry. We tried the shrimp katsu curry. It was pretty good, my wife tells me. And this is how the shrimp katsu curry looks like, but there were plenty of vegetarian options as well.
Shrimp katsu curry.